Now we'll cover the importance of mock tests. So INSEC has 20 full mock tests and has about 2000 plus questions coverage. Then there is 90 plus first attempt pass rate with INSEC, and there are 180 questions per mock. So you have to simulate real exam pressure. So you cannot take breaks. You have to do 180 mock questions in 230 minutes with the same question formats as the PMP exams. You have to make sure that you analyze your performance after every mock and pinpoint which domains and task areas that you need to work on more. And then you should also never skip the one-to-one mentor review of your mock results so you don't fall behind, and then there is no unaddressed weak areas. Then there is always the questions which are updated in the July 2026 exam. You have to make sure that you do the updated version, not the old version, since it will be useless. This should include AI, sustainability, and PMBOK 8. The INSEC 20 mock system is the single biggest reason most of our students pass on first attempt because it is very thorough and it is very updated. Now we'll talk about the most important topics to focus for the July 2026 exam. In business environment, which covers 26% of the weightage now, you have to focus on AI tools and ethics, sustainability, benefits realization, organizational strategic alignment, and PMBOK 8 6 principles. Now the process, which is 41% and it carries the most weightage, you have to talk about risk response planning, scope and scheduled control, agile sprint execution, earned value management, procurement decisions, as well as in people, you have to study the stakeholder engagement, team conflict resolution, virtual team leadership, servant leadership style, as well as building shared goals. Now we'll see the strategy you should take to answer situational questions. Since 90% of the PMP exam is situational, there is no single right answer, only the best answer. So in this case, the multiple choice questions and selecting a right question can be confusing. So we'll see how we will answer these types of questions. First is we have to think about what a PM would do first. If the options seem similar, we should pick the one that is the most proactive, it is the least reactive, and it is the most communicative. Second is to eliminate the obviously wrong answers. Most of the times, there will be some options in the answers which are very clearly wrong. So you should try the elimination method and eliminate these before you go on to selecting the right one. And then you have to apply the PMI mindset. Then we have to know that PMI hates shortcuts. It never skips steps. Therefore, you should never go directly to the sponsor without informing your team and always focus on the process part of the answer. Then there is the AI and sustainability. For new topics, we should think about the values and ethics and long-term impacts of projects, as well as organizational outcomes of the